just wanted to teach her a lesson. I thought she was stronger.
She was. She didn't hang herself. She OD'd. I saw her wobbling around the cafeterias.
So she killed herself a different way. I'm the one responsible.
No. This isn't on you. It's on me. I'm the one who thinks the point stash back up to you. I'm the reason the drugs are still coming in.
Why?
I was just mad at you. You were shitting on me.
I only sent Trish detox because I thought they would start an investigation to put an end to all of this.
I didn't know that. To not trust me.
Nikki, I trust you more than anyone. I always have. I do now more than ever.
You got shit in your ears or something? I betrayed you.
I know. And that's why I trust you. Because I know you'll do whatever it takes to make things right for Trisha. I was stupid to think this dress would ever look into things. Even if they put porn-stash stuffing drugs down her throat, they'd do anything to avoid a scandal. It's up to us now, Nikki.
What are you talking about?